Great, how are you doing today? Scott here. Got a question from a student about using matrices to solve a system of equations in 3 different ways. So we'll cover row reduction first. So we've got just a simple system of equations. We could use algebra to solve, but just to illustrate how to do using matrices. So we want to use row reduction to solve this. 2x plus y equals 4, 3x minus 2y equals 13. So we can start by converting into a matrix, just taking the coefficients. So let's see, so we got 2, 1, and then on the right side we write 4, and 3, minus 2, 1, or 13. And so we're using the row reduction process. So at each step we're taking the, this might make more sense if we just go through this. At each step we're taking the current row, so we start with the first row, and we divide by the leading term. So we do this divide by 2 here. So we multiply by 1/2. So we get 1/1/2. Then 4 over 2 is 2. And second row is still the same. And then we're going to use this leading 1 here. So this 1 here, we're going to use that to zero out the other entries in column 1. So let's see, we're trying to zero out the 3. So we can take minus 3 times 1, or minus 3 times this first row and add to the second row. So let's see, we keep the first row the same, 1/1/2, then 2, and we add the minus 3 times the first row to the second row. So minus 3 times 1 plus 3 is 0, minus 3/2 plus minus 2, that's minus 7/2, and then minus 3 times 2 is 6, or minus 6 plus 13 is 7. And oops, where's this go? Great, so we've taken care of that first column, and now we want to do the same with this second column. So let's see, so we're going to work with the second row, and we're going to divide it by the first entry of the second row. So we're going to divide this by minus 7/2. That gives 0, 1. Then we take 7 divided by minus 7/2. That's going to be minus 2. Just doing that arithmetic quickly, and then now we'll keep the first row the same for now. And now we're going to use this second row, this 1 in the second row, to zero out the 1/2 in the first row. So we're going to take, let's see, we'd have to do minus 1/2 times the second row and add to the first row. So we'll do minus 1/2 times 1, or minus 1/2 times 0 plus 1 is, that just leaves 1. Minus 1/2 times 1 plus 1/2, that zeroes that out. Minus 1/2 times minus 2 is 1, plus 2 is 3. And then in the second row we have 0, 1, minus 2 still. So, and then we can read the solutions directly off of this. So we're finished. It's the identity matrix on the left. We'll always end up with the identity on the left. And then on the right, we've got the solutions we can read off. So this is just literally x equals 3, y equals minus 2. And we can plug that back in and check. So x equals 3, y equals minus 2, and we're good. So great, hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see the second way we can do this next time, using row reduction using the identity matrix. But great, hope you have a good day.